In one of the most luxurious areas of Istanbul, High Step Real Estate Group offers you the Goztepe project in the Kadikoy region. 330 apartments are built according to the latest standards and the latest technologies. The smart system allows you to control the smallest details of your home just in a few clicks on your phone. Also in this project, you will be able to practice all your entertainment activities such as swimming pools, cafes, restaurants, gyms, massage rooms, meeting rooms and apartments for guests. In addition, the project provides you with large charming green spaces all at your disposal and at your service. Make your decision and assert your order and be one of the beneficiaries and investors with us. High Step Real Estate Group guarantees you a secure investment.